Alright, so welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jen Atkins times Calpak luggage. Super premium, super luxe, and so beautiful. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Jen Atkins by Calpak collabo on some bomb luggage. So I pack like I'm a hairdresser, even though I'm really not. So I wanted to see some reviews by like people who do not actually do hair and have regular things, and what they thought about how the luggage works, how it looks in person, and all that good jazz. Yes, here it is. I did get the big one and the little one. I didn't go for the trunk, because while I thought it was like interesting looking, I was like not sure if it was just a little bit too odd looking. I did kind of like it, and I did look at the measurements, and I know it's bigger than this one, than the big one. I know it holds more volume, but I don't know. I couldn't do it. If I do like a really cool abroad trip for a long time, I might go back and get it. But I'm going to tell you guys about these two in a second. Jen Atkins, the one that created this luggage, as well as she's the founder of Away, which I've actually reviewed her hair products. I'll link it. I love that she made the frame aluminum, so it's really solid and sturdy. So starting with the little carry-on, this one is 22 by 13.5 by 9.5. It has a 2-year limited warranty that comes with it. It is polycarbonate shell and aluminum frame for long-lasting durability. It has the Komodo spinner wheels for a 360 easy glide. It also has a large main compartment, and it has a TSA approved combination lock. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like inside. Okay, so first off, the reason why I was so attracted to buy this luggage and what drew me to it initially is it is so freaking gorgeous. Like the red color, I love everything black, and then the gold was just felt a little luxe. So I was just super here for it. Now, granted, they're each about $250 on average, so they should feel a little luxe, but when I got it in person, I was not disappointed. So I will tell you guys that. But moving on, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks inside when you first receive it. Okay, so when you first get it, well, actually, one of the things I want to touch on is I wasn't sure how I felt about the lack of zipper. But once you get it, it's actually really super easy to use. And I think it might be easier for overstuffing your luggage as well. So I kind of love that. And so here are the features of the luggage. So you're gonna have the zipper. This is the side that I use for clothing. So when I pack, I throw everything, all my clothes on this side. If I'm going small for just this carry-on, I throw all my clothes on this side, and then I put my toiletries and things in this little zip. And then on this side, you have kind of just like a barrier. So this closes like this. Yes. And then you have more compartments, which is great. More compartments, more compartments. You can totally tell a woman made this. She knows what is up. And then as a little bonus, they send you these cute stickers as well. So these really spoke to me. So this is how you're supposed to do it. It has a little cover for keeping it nice and pretty. Since you did spend some coin on it, this is a little clear, kind of just like something you put over the whole luggage to keep it nice and keep that evil TSA from messing up your new luggage. And then you throw on these cute stickers. Emotional baggage, I thought that was so funny. And oh my gosh, they have a piece of fried chicken, please don't steal me, and what is that, like a window seat, which is my jam, and some little googly eyes. I love it. And you can also, you know, spell your name with these stickers. There it is, Jen Atkins times Calpak. She gave you extras so that you can spell some fun stuff. So here she is explaining to you, you know, glide your clear wrapper on top of the outside, put your stickers on, and then we out. That's it. So I thought this luggage was so beautiful, and I love the extra compartments. I also love that when you do, and I just actually overstuffed this on the way here. When you overstuff it, it makes it even easier when you jump on top of it and close it just like that. So you can get on top of it and just close it, and you don't have to worry about breaking your zipper. I pretty much have broken all zippers, so this is great for me. And then also, if you're nervous, it has a nice little lock on there. And there are some great videos about how to use that, but I'm just gonna leave mine set to 0 because I'm not worried. So we are going to move on to the next luggage. Okay, so in the large, it's called the large luggage is originally $385, while the carry-on is originally $285. I did get them on sale. I want to say this one was $269 on sale, and this one was $199. So they are they are a bit pricey, but hopefully when you finish this review, you'll see why I love them. Okay, so now we're gonna review the larger luggage so that you guys can see how that one is. So here we go. It's a nice big size. I love this. I'm finally shooting like vlogger style, just on the go. Hopefully you guys are not too overwhelmed with all the movement. So I'm gonna throw this one up here on the bed as well so we can see how it is looking. So it's a nice big size. I will say I love a big luggage. Love it. All right, so here is the large luggage, and just like the smaller one, it has the TSA approved locks. It has an 100% polycarbonate shell, the super amazing wheels that go 3 ways. I want to say, what do they call it? The Hinomoto silent running wheel, which is a really big deal. I watched a couple of her videos about how she designed this luggage, and she felt really good about the wheels. They work fine to me, but I definitely don't know my way around a wheel. Aluminum frame with zipperless access, of course, we love that. Good for stuffing, and it also includes one of those dust covers that I showed you, the clear one. So here we go. So you just unlock it just like this. This one has 3. Here we are. And just like the other one, this one I use for my clothes. The other side for shoes and bigger items. Hair dryer, all of that. It's got a nice zipper in here. And then just like the other one, you get the pack of goodies with all the funny stickers. So you have more so that you can decorate this one. So it all comes right in here, nice and cute, all packed up. I left this so that I could tell you guys all of the dimensions. It's 29 by 19.5 by 11.5. So that is the measurements. And then again, it has these great little hooks. Right here. So that is the large one. And I also overpacked it today too, and I will tell you, it is good in overpacking with the zipperless locks. That actually helps quite a bit. Okay, so you guys have checked out both of the sizes, the small carry-on as well as the large luggage of the Calpak times Jen Atkins luggage collabo. And my final thoughts on it, honestly, is definitely seems very quality. I did add, because it was so pricey, I'm not used to spending like $500 for 2 pieces of luggage, even though I did get the sale, so she won. But I did add the additional warranty that you can add on it. Comes with 2 years. I went ahead and went for the 3-year one. I want to say it was additional $40. So I was like, you know what? They said they had no hassle with returning it with the warranty if you have any issues or run into anything. So I was like, you know what? I know I'm going to be traveling a ton, and my luggage always gets cracked. It always gets abused by TSA. I've probably gone through like 4 or 5 luggages over the last 2 years. So I learned my lesson. Some of them have warranties, but when you don't have the extended, you know, they kind of play games with you or whatever. And you're like still paying for half the luggage, or they're like making you jump through hoops to prove it and all this kind of stuff. So I just decided like I'm just gonna have some good luggage. I wasn't ready to spend $1,000 on one, like some of the bigger brands, but this was kind of like my first, you know, it was bougie but not ridiculous. It was in my price range. So I definitely love it. I think it's super gorgeous. I think there was a lot of care and attention to detail. I love the little extra goodie pack that you get. I thought that was a really nice touch. I probably won't be using the duster shell on mine just because it just reminds me of like those people who have like plastic on their couches. Like I'm just not here for it. But somewhere in my life, like these stickers are going. Like somewhere in my life, I will find a place for this because it really speaks to me, and I have to give her props. I have to give her marketing props. Like she understands her demographic and she killed it. So I would buy again. I would recommend. My 2 favorites were definitely the red. I almost got that, but I was like, oh, I just love gold so much. So I just went ahead and went for the gold. Maybe next time I'll get a little crazier with some colors. But I love it. Great for packing. So far the zipperless thing has been perfect, wonderful. I love all the extra compartments. I love the attention to detail with the wheel, making sure that you're very comfortable as you're moving around with luggage, because there's nothing like struggling through an airport. And I have broken a wheel. I have definitely done that. I've cracked. I mean, I didn't do it. TSA cracked my wheel, but I mean, this has definitely happened to me. So I appreciate all of that. I love the TSA lock options because, and also like it's great if you're in a hotel room and you leave and you're like, I don't want nobody touching this. So that's great too, because nobody has access to it, not even the manager, like the locks in your room. So I think it's I think so far so good. I love it. Maybe 3 years from now, I'll check in and let you know if it's a long, you know, if it lasts a long time. And I fly a lot, so my luggage is really get abused. So we will see, but go ahead and like and subscribe if this was helpful. I really should start saying this earlier. If this was helpful, because it really helps with the algorithm. If you don't like it or don't comment and don't subscribe, nobody finds these videos. They're just floating in YouTube outer space. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will holler at you later. Bye guys.